Hello everyone. So today's video is my update video for this month on how I'm doing. The weather's been really hot here and it's taking me a lot more to do stuff, everything else than usual. I usually have trouble during the heat, so take that into consideration. I am able to do a little bit more around the house, so that's meaning less time sitting because I'm actually working things out even more as rather than just sitting. So I'm not sure on how long I could sit. I do know I went longer than usual at one point in the past about week or two, but then I really suffered. The neck for it actually ended up for 2 days. I suffered one day, was gonna do just barely enough, had done that, and then had another emergency come up that caused me to do even more, and so it actually took a few days of doing less to try and get back to where I could do what I'm used to doing around here. So there's that. I am actually able to at least sit on top of the usual stuff. I'll clean for maybe about 15 minutes, depending on how strong it is. That's like scrubbing and stuff like that. If it's more just sitting and cleaning, things like that use less, things that use less of your core, different things like that, I can go longer. I'm thinking with eating and everything else and space throughout a day, I can probably do like 3 to 5 hours, but that's if it's spaced throughout the day. The one day that I had trouble, I hadn't done much in the morning, which was a good thing because it ended up, let's see, about 4 hours straight of sitting, but then it like killed me. The next day it was like half an hour to an hour straight, if that. And like 2 other times during the day is all to sit up to eat and really quickly. And that just totally wore me out. The day after that, I didn't do anything. The day after that, well, I shouldn't say I didn't do anything. I sat up to eat, and that was it. The day after that, I basically sat up to eat and did a few small things for a few minutes here and there, but not much. So that's about how I'm doing. Obviously, it's taking still a long while to recover the muscles. That's to be expected. I think one of the reasons it's slowing down more and the amount I'm sitting up is slowing down more. I would say I'm sitting generally about 1 hour a day, sometimes less, at a straight time. The rest are interspersed. But that's because I'm also trying to do some cleaning, trying to do things like that work even more of the muscles so that we're good to go. So I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.